Hey guys, what's up? I just found my tablet. This is why I couldn't record the YouTube videos for a couple days. So yeah. I found my tablet. Okay, my brother helped me. So big thanks to my bro. Yeah. I'm a YouTuber as well, guys. Like a boss. And the reason why I have one of my eyes closed, I got stabbed in my eye. Is that cool? So I might not be making YouTube videos for a month. I will start. Okay? Yeah, you be quiet, Logan. His last two videos you saw with my friends. So I only got one subscriber. I don't know who it is. God. What the? I just saw something. Okay, so probably that's gonna be it. But I'm so happy I found flipping tablet. I don't know what happened. Like, no, just